Best 5 Artificial Intelligence. It's difficult to predict exactly which artificial intelligence technologies will be the best in 2023. As the field, I believe that money management is a critical life skill, and it's never too early or too late to start learning about it. Whether you're a student just starting out, a young professional building your career, or a retiree looking to secure your financial future, my channel will have something for you. I'm passionate about educating people on the basics of personal finance, including budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. I also cover topics like taxes, insurance, and retirement planning to help you make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. What sets Money Matters apart is that I don't just talk about money, I show you how to put theory into practice. Each video includes real-life examples, case studies, and hands-on tips to help you understand and apply the concepts. So, whether you're a seasoned finance expert or just starting to learn about money, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new content. Best 5 Artificial Intelligence. It's difficult to predict exactly which artificial intelligence technologies will be the best in 2023, as the field of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving and new advancements are being made all the time. However, some artificial intelligence that are likely to be important in 2023 include: Number 1. Natural language processing. Natural language processing is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand and interpret human language. This technology is likely to become even more sophisticated in 2023, allowing for more advanced language-based interactions with artificial intelligence systems. Number 2. Computer vision. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world around them. This technology is likely to continue to advance with applications in fields such as autonomous vehicles, surveillance, and medical imaging. Number 3. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning in which an artificial intelligence system learns by interacting with its environment and receiving rewards or penalties based on its actions. This technology is likely to be used to solve increasingly complex problems, such as optimization of manufacturing processes and energy systems. Number 4. Generative adversarial networks. Generative adversarial networks are a type of deep learning architecture in which two artificial intelligence models compete against each other to generate new data, such as images or sounds. This technology is likely to become even much more powerful in future years, allowing for the creation of even more realistic and sophisticated generated content. The number 5 and the last artificial intelligence. Explainable artificial intelligence XA. Explainable artificial intelligence is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on developing AI systems that are transparent and interpretable, making it easier for humans to understand how the artificial intelligence systems are making decisions. This technology is likely to become increasingly important as artificial intelligence is used in increasingly sensitive and regulated industries such as healthcare and finance. These are some of the artificial intelligence technologies that are likely to be important, but the field of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving and new advancements are being made all the time. So this list may change as new developments emerge. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and share. It's what helps me create more content.